Behind me we've got the LiftMax LM65 mobile column lift. Italian designed and built, capable of lifting up to 6.5 tonnes per post at a speed of 2 centimetres per second to a maximum height of 1.7 metres. Featuring an easy to use, low maintenance jacking system, a 24 volt battery power supply and wireless communication, the LM65 is truly mobile. The LM65's comprehensive user interface allows the operator to safely and efficiently connect columns together. As you can see, we're using 4 lifts today. However, the LM65 is capable of being paired up to a set of 8 for all your lifting needs. The LM65 also features a mechanical safety locking feature. It has a visual representation on the interface of the position of the lock so that the operator can select the correct height before they lower the vehicle onto the locks. So now that the locking icon's green, we can lower the vehicle down onto the safety locks. You'll receive this message, column now on the locks. It's safe to go under the vehicle. The user can control the LM65 from any of the lifts in the set. You can change it at any time you want, before or after the lift. The LM65 is also capable of individual or paired operation. This allows the operator to lower or raise a certain part of the vehicle to assist with alignment of gearboxes and suspension components. Alright, so you can see we're lowering the vehicle back down now. It's coming down nice and smooth, nice and slow. Once we reach a point of 500 millimeters, the lifts have a added safety system which will sound an audible alarm as you're lowering them the last 500 mil. To charge the LM65, simply plug in the supplied charging lead and plug the other end into the mains power. Turn the isolator on and leave for 8 hours. Levanta is also able to supply a backup communication cable should you run into any issues with your Wi-Fi system. Simply plug the cable in to each lift and you're good to go. The LM65 also features adjustable lifting forks. This allows the user to lift a variety of different tyre sizes safely and securely.